Get transmission equipment for a radio station. Okay, so you have managed to get your hands on an FCC license to broadcast programs on the radio. The next step is to actually set up your radio station. Technically, you can set up the station virtually anywhere from your home or at an off-site office location. However, the main issue right now is that you need to purchase the transmission equipment that your station will need to enable it to transmit the broadcast. This is actually not a big problem since you can find everything you need on the internet or at local telecommunications equipment stores. To get you through this hurdle, here are some tips on how you can get the right transmission equipment for your new radio station. Figure out your transmission needs. Before searching your local stores or the internet for radio transmission equipment, you will first need to determine the needs of your station. First off, you will need to plan out the range of your transmission. For instance, if you are planning to broadcast in a limited area like a school campus or building, then you will need transmission equipment with a small transmission radius. This will probably involve getting a transmission antenna that is not too tall and too power-hungry. On the other hand, if you plan to broadcast radio content to a larger area like a city or the whole state, then you will probably need to construct a high tower to enable your transmission antenna to reach a wider range. Your needs may also dictate the frequency of the equipment you will need. Consult and research. If you really don't know squat about these equipments, then you may want to consult a telecommunications or radio transmission engineer. Discuss your plans and allow him to recommend equipment to meet your needs. Who knows, he may even help you install these as well. In the case that you can't find someone that can help you, you can use the internet to research about this. Log on to Google and initiate a search using these keywords: how to set up a radio station or what equipment will a radio station need. There are various articles, blogs, and videos online that can provide you in-depth knowledge on what you need and how to set it up. Search for equipment. Technically, you can simply visit the nearest Radio Shack in your area and purchase the radio transmission equipment you need, and that is probably the best option for you if you really don't know what you are doing. The Radio Shack staff can recommend equipment based on what you require. Tell him the range you want to transmit and where you will be locating your station so that he gets the whole picture and can recommend equipment that will allow you to start transmitting. He will even provide you some instructions on how to set the equipment you buy up. On the other hand, if you are already experienced in the whole process, The best deals on equipment will normally be found on the internet. Sites like eBay.com will feature hundreds of posts selling brand new and pre-owned radio station equipment at significantly discounted prices. Other sites focused on commercial and industrial radio equipment will post products on their website for sale. Order the equipment you need and wait for it to be delivered to your doorstep. Once you have the equipment you need, make sure to read up on the user's manual that comes with it to ensure that you hook everything up correctly. If you need to install a tall tower for your antenna, it would be wise to hire a contractor to set this up to avoid risks on your part.